Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide WordPress website source code. It's quite easy. Like, we just gonna install a plugin, and by using that plugin you can actually hide WP login, WP content, as well as you can hide your plugins, themes, and so on. So let's jump into the video. So very first thing you need to do is just go over to plugins, and right here you have the option add plugin. So just click on that, and in the search bar we're gonna type hide my WP ghost, and yeah, this is the one which we're gonna install. So just click on install now. Let's click on activate, and yeah, the plugin is successfully installed. To access that plugin, just scroll a bit, and here you have the option WP ghost. Under that we have the option overview, so click on that. On this screen you can just click on skip activation. If you look at here, we have couple of features available and you can use them if you want, but for the sake of this video we're gonna use this one, which is for secure WP paths. So in order to activate this feature, just click on activate feature. Now on this screen you need to click on light mode. Now if you look at this window, which says that they are not gonna change the physical path, but instead what they're gonna do, they'll just rewrite the rules in the config file to hide the old paths from the hacker. So that's what they're gonna do, and that's exactly what we want. So just click on continue, click on save. Once you do that, just head over to plugin security. If you scroll here, you will see the option hide plugin name. So if you want to hide plugins, just make sure this option is toggled on. If you want to hide all of your plugins, you need to turn on this option and just click on save. Similarly, if you go to theme security, by using this option you can hide your theme name. Also you can hide all of your themes. So for that you need to toggle on this option and just click on save. So yeah guys, by following this way you can hide your themes, plugins, as well as you can hide your WP login, as I said. So this is the best and quick way in order to do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet in the next one. Bye bye.